Hello guys, this is a video tutorial on how to make your corn dog. So make sure you follow the written recipe so you can get the accurate measurement for everything you'll be using. Basically what I'm going to do here is combine all my ingredients together in a bowl and mix. Just watch so you understand the process. After adding all your ingredients in a bowl, just mix as you can see me do in the video. Mix until there is no lump in your corn dog batter. Next, I'm going to prep my chicken sausage or hot dog, whatever you call it. I'm just going to cut it in halves. Like, I'm not using the full one. It all depends on what you want to make or maybe what your customer is ordering for. So this one, I had 6 pieces of chicken sausage, which I shared into half, and I got like 12 half chicken sausages. Now you want to proceed to coat all your sausages with flour, just as I'm doing in the video. After coating with flour and you are sure that your sausages are well coated, insert your skewer into your sausages. Now for this half sausage that I'm making, I'm not going to use like a full length of skewer. I'm going to like break off some parts so it won't be too long when I want to add into the oil. Get a glass cup and transfer your corn dog batter into the glass cup, because this is where you are going to be like inserting your sausage into this cup. You can use any cup, actually any cup that is like deep, just as this glass cup. It's not compulsory that you must use a glass cup. You can use any cup or any deep like small container that you have. Okay, once your oil is hot enough and you have everything ready, you want to proceed to frying. Now all you have to do is dip your sausage into your corn dog batter that is in your glass cup, just as you are seeing me do in this video. Trust me, this is not difficult at all. It is very easy. Now note, if your batter is too light, it's not going to stick to your sausage. So you need to follow the recipe and achieve the best consistency of your batter. You should fry your corn dog with lots of oil so your corn dog can float very well in your pan, and also don't overcrowd your pan with corn dog. Fry like little at a time. Once your corn dog is golden brown, take out of the heat, allow to cool and enjoy.